What's up, guys? So today we're replacing the wiper blade inserts on the 2017 Honda Fit. Now what I'm going to be showing you guys is using these Honda OEM wiper blade inserts, and this is just the rubber. It doesn't include the plastic blade part. And I definitely recommend you guys use this over the blade replacements that you might see at your auto parts store, where you'll replace the rubber part and this plastic part here. I think you're going to find that replacing just the insert is going to be cheaper, and keeping the Honda washer arm is going to look better and also perform better than a lot of the aftermarket ones you'll buy in the store. And it's also super easy to replace this, easier than replacing the whole arm. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so to remove the wiper blade insert from the Honda wiper blade, you don't even need to remove the arm. Pull up the wiper from the windshield, then we go to the end here.
All we need to do is grab the end of the rubber and push it down. Now pull it up and out. And now you see the rubber is outside of the little groove. Okay guys, so here's the other side, a little more zoomed in so you guys can see. So I'm just going to put my fingers on the tip and I'm going to push it down in the other direction like that. And then pull it out and up. So that's how you get it out of the little groove. And then just tug on it a little bit and it comes out. Alright guys, so here's our new wiper insert, and note that there's a little notch and that one you want on the top here. So we're just going to slide it into the groove. And then at the end, we're going to push it down under there, and then it's just going to slide right in, and then just let it come up. And now it's secure. Okay, so that's it for replacing the wiper blade inserts. Hopefully this helped you guys. If it did, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.